In this course, we work with Final Cut Pro version 10.3. To use this Final Cut Pro editing software, you need Mac operating system and 4 GB of RAM, 256 MB video RAM, and 5 GB of disk space. To download this, you just simply go to Mac App Store and then search for Final Cut Pro. And this software price is $299. You have to purchase this one. If you want to use trial version of Final Cut Pro, then simply open your browser and then type Apple Final Cut Pro. And then press enter. After that, hit on the first link. And then click on free trial. And after that, put your first name, last name, email address, your location, and finally hit on download free trial. After that, install that file in your Mac to get 30 days Final Cut Pro free trial. In our next lecture, we talk about the basic software interface of Final Cut Pro version 10.3.